I woke up this morning with a voice in my head, said the fish are jumping, why are you in bed? Said I can't go fishing, I gotta work, and if my wife found out I'd be in for some hurt. Come on, it said, your boss is a louse, just keep your head down and sneak on out. I tried to resist, I tried to refrain, till that voice got up and sang. Today is a fishing day, don't care what my boss or wife might say. Today is a fishing day. I snuck out the back door with my pole and my gear, hooked up the boat and the coast was cleared. I almost forgot, how could I forget my lucky fishing hat?